Joining BlueSky Social and wondering how to make your profile stand out, adding a profile photo is the first step to personalizing your account. Let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add profile photos in BlueSky Social app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening the BlueSky Social app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then tap on the profile option. On the profile page, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap that. Once in the Edit Profile section, tap on the camera icon of the circular photo placeholder. Now you'll have the option to either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Pick the image you'd like to use. After selecting your photo, adjust its size and position to your liking. When you're happy with how it looks, tap on Save button. And that's it, you've successfully added a profile photo on BlueSky Social. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.